glide and bunny. Good with the kid.
If you don't spoil my daughter.
Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga, oh, 100 vodkas riding. Got it. I go to space with the.
Yo. Yo. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like an OG. And they want the tea on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money.
Wait. I'm back. So I just came back from campus. I was submitting, the lighting is bad, but then it's fine. I was submitting my assignment today. It was a group assignment, as you saw. And yeah, I'm back at home. The time right now, it is, yeah. So, we need to go pep. Mama unsendele ipasela. I don't know what's here, Elani. That's what we're gonna see, Chan. I thought like impahla because I left impahla iningi kaya, because I was like literally complaining every day with Yabanda and my jerseys and everything's at home, but then yeah, went also cooking gaga so they. Oh my god, I hate how it's squashed. These people. It's Isabella. Oh gosh, yeah. Period. I can't believe this. Literally, I can't believe it. Guys, like, look. Like, I'm so happy. What is this? Oh, it's a hand lotion. It has sparkles. It literally has sparkles. Guys, like, another beauty blender. Okay, what's this? It's a lipstick. My god. What is this too? Yo, it's a bronzer. Mascara. Guys, what is this now? It's an eyeliner. Let me call my mom. Where's my phone? What a surprise. What a surprise. Like, I can't believe this. Let me just call her because I am the happiest girl. Literally. Literally. I hope she picks up. Hello, Mama. Yo, Betu. Yo, Mama, I told you. Happy Mama. Thank you so much. Good. I want to try something like, you know those luxury unboxings? I wanna do that. Just discovered something. It's literally the latest collection. And I used to be obsessed with Versace, and she used to buy me Isn't from Versace name. And now since I'm like, oh, Isabella, gosh, yeah, she's like, child, you gon' get it. You gon' get it. The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Imbo! Zambo, zambo, enimpa, enim. Like, I'm so happy. Okay, let me just pugger because I want to go to the library. This is mint. I made it last night. It's gonna last me for like 3 days, I think, because this is test week. This vlog is about test week. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh. Let me just.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face.
So I'm back on campus. This is not my campus. Boti, I stay near it. But yeah, the time right now it is. So I'm here to study. I'm just gonna leave Masin Katel practice.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume.
Good morning, guys. It's now 6 o'clock and I'm gonna take eBio Plus. I'm writing at 9. eBio Plus literally just makes me smarter. So yeah, I'll be drinking this. I just finished having breakfast. That's why I made jungle oats, because I need something very, very heavy so this doesn't drain me. I think I'll have half. Yeah, I'll just have half, and yeah, and that's it.
Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say.
Okay, I'm visible. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday, ang balang. Literally, ang balang. Like, that was frustrating on its own. That's why I didn't even proceed with vlogging, because I slept for literally 3 hours. For what? I'm just gonna tell you a story when I come back. Okay, just in case I forget, but there was a strike with AMA shuttles, so people were not like able to travel from point A to point B. That's why. And the test got like reshuffled again. I'm no longer writing up until Friday. I'm writing up until next week, Monday. Another bummer. But you know what? It's fine. We can't complain. So have a great day. Gonna go love now on this day. It's Wednesday. Test 1. Khamba kakahle. Ubhale kanjani?
But I knowledge I'm just born by how smart I am. If the domes was born by Dota.
Mabocha?
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Amy, it was. But I wrote. It was wrote.
If it ain't it, that's it.
Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Good with the kid, copy. Got to pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, solid. Rich nigga, oh, 100 pockets ride it. Got it. I go to space with the stars. I smoke a blunt on my pilot. Saturn, Moon, Earth, and Mars. NASA take off with the rocket. $500,000 on the necklace. Them rich niggas, we successful. Say she wanna feel special.
Okay, this is a quick update. I was supposed to sleep. It's 2:20. I was supposed to sleep at 1:30, but I don't know. The minute I close my eyes, it just does the things. I'm like, oh no, it's not like that. Like, but then I'm just gonna study, because I'm literally 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7 hours away from writing. Below 7 hours, I have to minus 1 hour that I'm gonna travel to campus. So it's 6. I have to sleep. I have to prepare. I just have to. It's a lot. I feel like right now, I'm gonna tell you even after writing. Right now, I am guided by the Holy Spirit. Like, there's something telling me I should focus on this. I know it sounds crazy or something, but I don't know. Even in high school, like, I literally had this tendency. My friends that time, whenever writing, they would come to me and be like, because, I never told them this, I'm being guided by the Holy Spirit. But I was just like, I feel like this is important. We revise together and so contribute to mama kamaningi. So this is literally the first time in 2 years, okay, okay, this is my second year. Yeah, but yeah, you feel that this way, so I'm just gonna take it as it is. If the Holy Spirit misled me, it's fine. Like, it's fine. Nobody's always right. And nobody's always right. So I'm just assuming this is it. Ipepala izolo. Amanga. It was fair. So I just had a blackout. Loma, let me just proceed with studying. Molweni. Good morning. Yeah, it's that time. Please don't mind what I'm using a flashlight. There's low shedding. So yeah, anxiety is on. You know the vibes. But okay, ciao. Like, I literally have nothing to say today besides Utish. Like, let me just.
Wanna be like you, 'cause I could do